Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to set the audio track that will last for a set number of slides, not just one, not all, but for example 3. When you added an audio to your presentation, by default it will be set either to only one slide or all slides. It depends on the version of the PowerPoint. In this version, PowerPoint 2010, it is only for one slide. So how to set if we want 3 slides? In the playback tab, there is no possibility to set this up. So we need slightly different approach. Thanks to Microsoft, it is so obvious we need to go into Animations tab. In here, we need to search something for Animation pane. This will open us a right-handed pane, and here we will see the list of our objects. Here we have only one, so that's why it's only one. We need to double click, and here we can see a hidden option where we can set a moment when the audio clip stops playing. As I said, by default it is set to after current slide. We need to change it to after and set the amount of slides it needs to stop. We want 3, that's why we type 3. We save the setting, and now we can preview if it works as intended. It plays on the first, on the second, on the third, and it is stopped while we open the 4th slide. If you like the tutorial, please consider subscribing my channel as well as liking the video. Thanks.